Hey creators! Choosing the right video tool can make or break your content. Today we're comparing Tella and Loom to help you decide which one's best for you. Let's dive in. First, Loom. It's a super simple tool built for quick video messaging and screen recording. You can record your screen, webcam, or both, and share instantly with a link. It's great for team updates, client feedback, or short tutorials. Loom has a free plan for videos under 5 minutes, plus cool features like viewer analytics and integration with Slack and Google Drive. But its editing is basic, just trimming and cutting. Now Tella. This tool is all about creativity and polish. It's a screen recorder with powerful editing tools like customizable layouts, text overlays, and transitions. You can record your screen and camera separately, then mix and match styles later. Tella is perfect for tutorials, courses, or social media videos that needs to stand out. It has a 7-day free trial, but is pricier, starting at $19 a month. So how do they stack up? Loom is your go-to for fast, no-fuss videos like team updates or quick demos. It's user-friendly and integrates well with other tools, but its editing is limited. Tella shines for creators who want polished, professional videos with lots of customization. It's great for courses or marketing, but it's more expensive and has fewer integrations. Here is a quick chart to break it down. So which is better? If you need quick, simple videos for teams or clients, go with Loom. If you're a creator making polished content like courses or YouTube videos, Tella is your pick. Try both free plans to see what fits. Thanks for watching and let us know your favorite in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.